Watch this. I walk into a public office with a camera, and the manager orders me to stop. It's illegal, they say. But is it? I stand my ground. This is a public space, and our First Amendment rights matter. Then a public servant talks down to the public. You decide.
Hey, what's up guys? Long Island Audit here, back again with another video. Today we're at the City of Philadelphia Department of Revenue here in the great state of Pennsylvania. We are here today, as always, to peacefully exercise our First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas, to promote transparency and accountability within our government, and to ensure that our public servants recognize our rights and treat us with respect. Let's get into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're just getting inside the office here. Let's take a look around. Seems to be a really small office. Reception desk as soon as we walk in. We have a cashier over there. I wonder where the offices of Brian O'Neill are. Hi, ma'am. How are you? How do I speak to the councilman?
Oh, the councilman's not longer here.
Oh, he's no longer here?
Yeah.
It's just a sign outside?
Yeah, they kept that sign. I have no idea why, but here we go.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
But you're not
Thank
supposed
you.
to tape anything.
I'm sorry, ma'am?
You're not supposed to tape anything.
Oh, why is that?
Because you're not allowed. This is
Government office.
Yeah.
Because it's a government office?
Yeah,
Yes.
you're not allowed to.
What? But is that a law?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really?
it's privacy.
Yeah.
We don't want you getting anybody else's information. That would
Well,
be-
yeah, that's not my intention, and obviously
Okay.
I'm not doing that. Am I getting anybody's?
Obviously, we don't know what you're doing.
But I'm obviously not getting personal information for where I'm standing, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're not allowed. You have to put your camera away, sir.
Ma'am, I don't have to put my camera away. This is a public lobby.
No, it's not. It's a government agency. You're not allowed to tape
It's not
anything.
public, it's a government agency.
Well, it's not public for you
That
to
seems
tape.
like, it doesn't make sense.
Okay, whatever you
Okay.
want to say.
I just
Okay,
doesn't.
but you need to put the camera away.
Sir, you have to put the camera down. You cannot record.
Who
here.
are you, sir?
I'm the manager here,
The manager, what's your name?
Mr. Thomas.
He's
Mr.
taping.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Nice
Anything
to
I can
meet you,
help
Miss-
you?
nice to meet you, Mr. Thomas.
yeah. Have a good day.
No, I don't need any help with anything, sir.
Okay, so what are you here
Well,
for?
I did. I asked if I could speak to the councilman. Apparently,
Okay,
he
that's
doesn't.
downstairs. Their phone number is on the window. You can call them.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not in
And
this
I got,
phone.
yeah, I got that information, but I'm just taking a look around the
But
office.
you are recording here. You're not allowed to record here. You're taking my style picture
But why-
without permission.
I don't need anybody's
You
permission, sir.
need, yes, sir.
Sir, again, if you would just relax and understand that.
Yes, I am relaxed.
Okay,
but
great.
I'm talking to you. Yeah, but
Okay, great. But
Yeah.
you're telling me to do something
Yeah.
that you have no authority to do.
sir, you are recording us.
You might be
have
the
no
manager
allowed
here,
to
but
do-
respectfully, sir, you're not my manager. You don't tell me what to do. I mean, if you have internal policies within your own employees, that's where your authority ends.
No, no.
Yes, sir.
So you are not for this office. You are for the councilman. There's a phone number. you
Right,
can
but
call.
while I'm here, it's a public building. I'm an independent journalist. I'm taking some pictures and video.
You're not allowed to do that.
I am
Take
allowed.
personal pictures.
They said it's against the law. I don't
Read
believe
your
them.
law first.
Right.
Yeah.
I would advise you to read the law, sir. There is no
I
law that
did.
prevents.
That's why I'm talking to you.
I'm telling you, it's not. I'm just telling you, sir. I'm not. I don't want to get into a debate with you. I'm just.
Yeah, I
I'm
understand.
just standing
Yeah.
up for my rights. That's
Please,
all.
have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
So back here we have some
Sir, you need to leave.
applications.
Sir, you need to leave the
No,
building.
sir. No.
Sir,
No. It's a public building.
you cannot record. Put your phone down.
No.
Then we'll talk.
No. I
Sir,
don't
it's
want.
a
I
public
don't want
building.
to talk to you. I don't even want to talk to you.
There's a
You
public
came up to
building. That's what
me.
I'm saying. You're recording people without their permission.
Right. Well, again, she asked me if I needed any help. The other woman that I recorded came out to the camera, and you also came out to the camera. So the only people who have been on camera are people who put themselves in front of the camera.
You are here with the camera.
Right.
You are recording, right?
Right. That is correct.
I ask you to put that down.
No, and I'm telling you no.
Okay. Then I'm going to call someone.
Do what you
from
need to
right
do.
here.
Yeah. Do what you need to
Okay?
do. No problem. So
You're not
over
here
there
for
we
this-
have.
You're
Sir,
not here for this office.
sir, I don't even talk to you
I'm
anymore.
going to ask you to leave.
Okay, you can ask me whatever you want. I don't want to talk to you anymore, sir. I don't want to talk to you anymore. I just want to look at the applications.
No, you can't do that without.
Why can't I look at public applications? They're up on. They're
Sir,
up for
you
everybody to
recording stuff.
see.
You recording stuff.
Right.
Okay.
I
may
understand
ask you
that.
who you are?
My name is Sean. Yeah, your name's Mr. Thomas. My name is Sean.
Okay, so you are a journalist?
I'm an independent journalist. That's correct.
Okay. You have a
Yeah.
business card or something?
No, I don't feel like I need to give you
Oh,
any
you
of
don't, you
that.
don't have anything. Okay, you don't have anything to...
I just don't have to give it to you, sir. Not that I don't have it. I just don't feel like I need to give it to you. I don't want to. I don't even want to really
But
talk to you.
are here to see the councilman, right? I told
No,
you.
no,
you're
I'm
not
here.
in this
I'm here
office.
investigating the city government. I'm here.
Oh, you're investigating?
Right, right. That's what I'm doing here.
Okay.
Is
May
there
I
a
know
problem?
what
Right.
are you investigating? What is the nature of the investigation?
Sir, I really don't want to know. I don't want to divulge what's the nature of my investigation. I didn't want you to come out here from wherever you were. I'm sure you have
This
better
is my
things to
office,
do.
you know, I told you, I'm the
Right.
manager here, so I have all the rights
Oh,
to talk to you.
okay.
Because someone, you know, with my employees in a hostile place, you know, I had to talk to you.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Okay, but you talk to me. I've given you plenty of information. I don't know what else you need from me.
So you're not leaving?
No.
So you're not leaving the
No.
place? Okay.
No.
You're not here do any business here, but you're not
So I'm
leaving,
not leaving.
right?
No.
Is that correct?
That is
Am
correct.
Am I correct?
You are correct about that.
Okay.
Yes, you are correct.
Okay. So one last time I'm going to ask you, you have no business doing in this office, but you recording. Is that correct?
Sir, you can
You're not
believe
here
whatever you
for
want. You can
Department of
do. You
Revenue.
can
This
believe
is-
whatever you want.
this is City
Department of
Philadelphia,
Revenue. I know.
Department of Revenue. You have
I
no
know.
business doing here in this floor, right?
Sir, I have no business with you anymore.
Okay,
at
that's
this
all I
point.
want to know. Okay.
Thank you. So they have sign-in sheets here for taxes and water, logbooks,
You can-
applications.
So Daisy, as long as he stands here, you cannot ask the taxpayer any information.
Okay.
Because he's recording, he's a
Yeah.
I'm not-
YouTube slob.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Independent journal. I prefer that, ma'am.
You know
Thank
what?
you. I prefer that.
You know what?
Thank you so
You're not
much.
a journal because you're not
Right.
asking for any stories.
I
You're
am.
not even a writer.
Did I not?
You
Do you need to
are
be a writer to
trash.
be? Do you need to? Are you a public servant talking to a member of the public that way? Is that really how you
a
conduct
member of the
yourself?
public?
What's your
Are
name?
you a taxpayer?
What's your name?
You don't have to worry about
Okay,
my
what's
name.
your name, ma'am? You like to talk to people disrespectfully. I'm not getting any personal information from anybody. I'm asking questions about the government. They always hate the cameras here, but we have camera over here in the corner. Friendly reminder that the government's always recording us, even though it always seems to be an issue when we, the people, record them. So now that they want to become a part of the story,
You can't get in there.
I'm not inside of there. I'm trying to get your name.
Look, he's trying
I'm trying to get
in
your
here.
name so I can file a complaint
You cannot
against you.
go
Would you
in
like to
there.
tell me?
File that.
File that. Wow. Definitely gonna have to do an open records request for the people here. This is why we got a lot of reports. They treat people really badly. Now you're gonna be exposed. They can't answer any questions because I am illegally here. That's what he said. That's what she said to the man. I'm illegally here, so she can't answer any more questions.
Man, he's the one. We've been trying to get him.
Can't be
in
doing
here.
what?
He's been videotaping us.
Oh,
You can't do that.
who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
The security guard.
Okay.
Why are you
Now notice what happens here. Instead of answering calmly, the official doubles down, raising their voice, pointing fingers, and trying to intimidate me. But think about it. If they were confident the law was on their side, why get so defensive? This is the exact moment that shows the difference between authority and accountability. Keep watching, because it's about to get even more revealing.
doing that?
I'm asking questions. I'm just taking pictures of the office
He's
here.
not
That's it.
asking anything about revenue. Notice here.
I've gotten some complaints. I'm an independent journalist. I've gotten some complaints from residents that they have been retaliated against here and they have been treated unfairly. So I'm just here to document and observe.
But that's illegal. You can't do that, sir.
It's not illegal, man.
Yes, it is.
It's just not. It's not illegal. It's a public space.
We can't even take care of our clients.
Could I see some applications that you have, ma'am? Can I see applications that you have at this office?
We don't have no applications here. For what?
Okay. I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
It's not.
Is it,
No, you asked them. We don't have them.
Okay. Well, that's why you ask, right? When you don't know something, you ask a question. Does that make sense?
I seen you before.
You see me before? Really? Where?
I'm trying to remember.
He didn't say.
you asked for some kind of application, you said?
Well, yeah. I just wanted to know what kind of services you offer here. Like I told you, I'm a journalist.
Right,
I've gotten.
I'm asking you what kind of...
I've gotten some complaints about this office, about the productivity, the way that the people treat, the public servants treat individuals. So I just came here. That's really why I came here. I had to speak to the councilman, but I know the woman here told me that he's no longer here.
Yeah, they have, I don't know if you try the phone number, they have a phone number on the window.
Yeah.
He might be downstairs, I don't know, we have two different offices.
Okay.
You wanna call him, his number is on the window, he might be here, he might be in the
All right.
field.
I
don't know.
all right. My intentions, again, is just to make sure that people are treating people with respect and honoring people's rights.
Yeah, that's what we're
Right.
here for.
I mean, that's what you should be here for. I mean, not trying to cause stir, but
Yeah, that's what we want, like if you're in the middle of, helping people, so you don't want.
well, I mean, that's you're a public servant, so that's it. And I just ask to be treated with the same respect I treat every one of you. I'm not treating you with disrespect. I'm not going over to the cashier and trying to get people's information. You don't see me going over there or
We can't give any.
right.
personal
Right. I'm not doing that.
Yeah,
Right.
but, if you want a copy of the application, yeah, you're more than welcome.
Right. Yeah. I just want to see what type of services or what exactly the revenue.
Like I said, we have a lot of applications, if you know
Right.
what you're looking for, I can pull it.
Right. Just for something for the revenue service. Just what would a typical person come here for? Because like I said, I got some emails, but.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be getting out of here. Let's take a look at these. Got some applications, some information here for taxpayers. The City of Philadelphia, business use and occupancy tax.
YouTube.
And then
I was watching your videos
you're watching my videos?
on YouTube, right? I know.
You gotta give me that website.
You remember what YouTube channel it is?
I was watching. I was watching a few of your videos on YouTube.
You don't remember the name of the channel? I'll tell you. I have no problem. There's no big Long Island Audit. I don't know if that's what you're referring to, but that's the name of my channel, Long Island Audit.
But I know I watched a few of your videos on YouTube.
But normally I'm not in the video, as you see, I'm like behind the camera, but the voice, I guess, or
No, I
you're.
saw you.
Yeah, I do some things in front of the camera with my lawyers and stuff like that. No harm. Again, I meant no disrespect to you in any way in our interaction. I'm just trying to, for government transparency, I'm for, filming in public areas, making sure the public servants treat us with respect. That's my deal. I'm not trying to.
It's the best office, so I don't know.
I got some complaints. I did. I got some emails. That's how I work. I go to different places that they, and it could be somebody that just had a bad day or whatever. They could be in the wrong, but at the end of the day, I'm here to investigate it and see. And when I got here, I wasn't treated the best. So that leads me to believe that
wasn't here.
I'm not saying you were. You weren't. You weren't here.
I just came back from lunch.
All right. I'm going to get out of here in a couple minutes anyway. It was nice meeting you. Take care. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be getting out of here. We got our information. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're just getting out of the Department of Revenue. Originally, I came over here to try and speak to the councilman, Brian O'Neill. I've read a lot of things about him, that he is anti-police accountability. He voted against an accountability board. He voted against training, de-escalation training for the Philadelphia Police Department. So I wanted to speak to him regarding that and exercise my First Amendment right to do so and record, but this is also the Department of Revenue, and the councilman, Brian O'Neill, is no longer here at this office. As soon as we entered, we were immediately confronted by the receptionist, who said it was illegal to record. When I ask for the law, they never give me the law. They just say that it's illegal. This is a government building. This is not public. It's government. I really don't understand their arguments that I don't get the difference. It's the same thing when law enforcement or public servants say that the police departments are private property or government property is private property. It's just not. It's public property and it's open to the public. Obviously, that's how I got in there. It's not a restricted area or anything like that. And then things escalate. And ultimately, the manager came out. He spoke to us, Mr. Thompson. He seemed that he changed his tune towards the end, but the woman inside was completely unprofessional, completely unhinged. How dare she, a public servant, talk to a member of the public that way? How dare she? We're definitely going to be filing complaints with the city of Philadelphia. We will be stopping by the city hall to file a formal complaint against this woman and do a open records request for her name, her salary, and any other information that we can, because that's unacceptable. And that's why I do what I do, because that woman has treated somebody in this way before. And she exposed herself on camera for the world to see. So that's why I love my job. I get to expose public servants who do not deserve the job, who do not deserve the taxpayer-funded benefits, who treat us worse and have the lowest standards, lower than Walmart or McDonald's or any other company really, because they have job security. But this is why we fight. This is why we exercise our First Amendment right peacefully all across this country. But let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section
All
below.
right, let's break this down. What we just witnessed wasn't just about me and a camera. It was about the bigger picture, the relationship between the public and those who are supposed to serve the public. When a citizen calmly exercises their rights and a government official reacts with hostility, it raises serious questions. Why is transparency seen as a threat? Why is accountability treated like an attack? If your job is funded by taxpayers, shouldn't taxpayers have the right to see how you behave on the clock? Now here's the truth. Moments like these are exactly why people record. Not to cause problems, not to be disrespectful, but to shine a light where too many would rather keep things in the dark. A simple question, or a small camera, shouldn't make public servants angry, unless there's something they don't want the public to see, and you saw it yourself. The louder they got, the calmer I stayed. Because that's how you win these situations. Not by yelling, not by losing control, but by standing firm on the rights you already have. So let me leave you with this. Your rights only exist if you use them. If you stay silent, if you back down, if you let intimidation work, you lose them little by little. But every time you stand tall, every time you speak up, every time you demand accountability, you keep those rights alive. Now I want to hear from you. Was this official protecting the public or just protecting their ego? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you believe in holding power accountable, make sure you subscribe, share this video, and help spread awareness. Because this isn't the end of the story, this is just one chapter, and together we'll keep writing the rest.